Hi, I teach Math 7 at Cary Academy, and my name is Leslie Williams. Welcome. So, a little bit about me. I have a degree in what I do, and I love teaching math so much that I've been doing that for almost 26 years now. I did take a 4-year break and taught adults how to use software back when everyone was moving from DOS to Windows. Yes, that will age me. But I do love teaching kids and I love teaching math. I've been at Cary Academy since 2003. I want to talk about a growth mindset. So the growth mindset states that we can all learn with practice and that we need to dig into new problems and strain our brain just a little bit, right? And find some success and practice in order to learn new material and take that information from short-term to long-term memory. So when you see your child struggling with something, any content, then know that they're learning. That's part of the learning process. And encourage them to seek help if they need it, but to try things and see if they can figure things out for themselves. Also, we recommend that you avoid saying things like, I wasn't good at math, or I never use algebra, as that undermines the value of mathematics education. So in math class, we have the breakdown of our grades by 70% for assessments, 20% for homework, and 10% for application. Homework is graded upon completion with some exceptions, and I do checkups using forms, which gives me a little idea where everybody is, and I do that from time to time, and those are graded. They're like little pop quizzes, but they only count as a homework grade, so it doesn't affect their overall grade a lot. Students must show all their steps on homework, they must complete all the problems, and see me if they're struggling with any of the content. There's a 30-minute limit on homework for the days they meet me for math, so that's 30 minutes twice a week, with the exception of their assessment corrections, studying for assessments, and projects if they put everything off to the last minute. So extra help and keeping up, I'm going to be here every day at 8:30, so kids can come in a couple minutes early and come see me if they have a quick question. Study halls, we typically will have a study hall most Mondays and Thursdays. Every day from 3:15 until 4 o'clock, students can contact me virtually after school by appointment. Also, there's videos for everything. There's completed notes for all the notes, and there are answers posted every day based on the homework. And there's also practice tests with answer keys. So I offer a lot of support to help your child. So math class typically will have a warm-up, go over homework, take some notes, start the homework if there is time, and then I switch this up some when we are working in these 75-minute blocks. And so I might have them go work on something, take a break in the middle, let them leave early and work on homework later, just to help it not be 75 minutes of straight lecture. This is an example of a screenshot from their electronic textbook. So their resources this year are going to be Prodigy, Khan Academy, and their eText. They will also be using IXL. So their electronic textbook is Holt McDougall, and I have screenshots from that in their OneNote so that I have their OneNote all organized and ready for them to write in. So this is an example of a screenshot in their OneNote page. And I'd like you to notice over on the very right-hand side, there's 3 examples under lesson tutorial videos. Here's where the videos are for students in their electronic textbook. So they can go to their eText, my.hrw.com, and watch those videos at any time, as well as see the textbook itself. Applications and fun things we do this year. First of all is financial literacy, near and dear to my heart. Doesn't matter if you know math if you don't know how to handle your money, right? So it's really important that they start learning how compound interest is going to affect money both in a positive and negative way. Interpreting graphs and statistics will be integrated into our migration collaboration unit, along with 3D design and printing engineering solutions with design thinking. So we will be taking both of these activities and applying them to a huge interdisciplinary unit all about migration with history and language arts. They will also build and fly kites at the end of the year, integrating proportions. So on Blackbaud, you can see the week at a glance, which is the homework for the week, a link to general information about my class, a link to resources, and a link to the math department information. And the math department information and general information are over on the far right-hand side. Thank you so much for attending. I'm so excited to be working with your child this year, and please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions.